Hey everyone, welcome back to CarPlay Hacks, your go-to channel for all things Apple CarPlay. Today we've got an exciting topic for all you iPhone users out there who love watching YouTube on the go. If you've been avoiding jailbreaking your iPhone, we've got some great solutions for you to enjoy YouTube on Apple CarPlay. Let's dive right in. Our first solution is the CarTube app, exclusively brought to you by CarPlay Hacks. Surprisingly, CarTube enables YouTube on CarPlay without the need for jailbreaking or upgrading any hardware. It supports iOS 14 to the latest iOS 15.6 Beta 5 versions. This app is designed for watching YouTube on CarPlay and comes with some handy features like ad skipping and an easy-to-use interface. You can install CarTube for free with the support of TrollStore. Now, let's move on to another option. If you're looking for a hardware solution, check out the Onin's iBox wireless CarPlay adapter, available on CarPlay-hacks.com. Priced at $207, it offers a lag-free Wi-Fi connection with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM. It supports a wide range of iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 15 series, and is compatible with various iOS versions. This adapter not only allows you to watch YouTube on CarPlay, but also handles preloaded applications like YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, and more. It's a must-have for car enthusiasts, providing a seamless connection between your iPhone and the car's infotainment system. Our third solution is the MMB wireless CarPlay adapter, also available on CarPlay-hacks.com, priced at $385. This adapter quickly converts wired CarPlay to wireless, making it easy to use your iPhone in the car. With compatibility for over 98% of cars, this adapter supports Siri voice control and ensures no time delay with a simple plug-and-play setup. So, there you have it. A software solution and 2 hardware options to enjoy YouTube on Apple CarPlay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials from CarPlay Hacks. Visit our website, CarPlay-hacks.com, for detailed guides and product links. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming on Apple CarPlay.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.